Hey everyone, Eddie with Grand Sus Designs, and like I told you in previous videos and in my vlog, that I was going to present you with a better method of extracting your fumes from your DTF printer. And this product right here is amazing. This is what you need. I don't suggest that you use those Vevor style, the small little canister. I'm going to do a side-by-side as well of the other type of fume extractors. This one right here, this is the one that you want. This is made for your smaller format, single head, two head, 30 centimeter, 13-inch format printer. This is great. So briefly, what I could tell you is this right here, this is the exhaust part. It has a small filter in here that you can actually replace. And I'm going to rotate everything. So if you could see right here, this is the part that it comes with a hose. You connect right here, and then it would connect into your heater part of your oven. And it already comes with clamps. It comes with about 35 feet of the high temperature cable, and then it comes with 12 feet of the heater dryer type, you know, the one where it doesn't let the air escape, and it comes with a couple clamps. Pretty amazing. You've got your cooling down fan right here. This is all 110, everyone. Nice caster wheels on the bottom. They're really nice. It comes with a little brake. And then most importantly, that stuff that builds up. You know, the weird yellow stuff from DTF right here. It catches it. Comes with the instructions on when you should release those glycerides. It's amazing. You've got your little button right here. This is your power button. It's a simple on and off. You open up your compartments right here. Okay, it's a clasp style. Check that out. Here you can open this part up, and then this will allow you to change out this filter. You can go 3 or 6 months with this. You see in here, these chambers, what they're doing is they're capturing the fumes and then breaking it down to where all you got to do is just drain it. Pretty nice product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the electrical descriptions and briefly on the instructions. And then on my next video, I'll have it right next to the heater shaker and have it operating, and you can see how it looks. Now, they do make one for larger format, 24-inch, 48-inch printers, and it's much taller. Like, I couldn't put it on this table. It's the height from the ground to the top. It's about that high. Pretty huge. And those type, they can actually take 2 large format DTF heater shakers, and they can still exhaust it. So obviously, one, this is the first single one, and they have a lower rated CFM, so it doesn't burn out the bulbs. And I did ask the vendor, you know, because we were concerned about that, as we would connect it with the Vevor or similar type 2 heads and put it right over the top. We would notice that the bulbs would be a lot hotter and the temperature would drop. And we were concerned that the prints wouldn't cook evenly. Not anymore. So I will put a link in the description of these right here. These are going to be selling out fast. And we will be purchasing more of these to sell on our website. All right. So stay tuned and check out our other videos of this in operation. Okay, everyone. Thank you for tuning in.